How to use Ulta Rewards and Ultimate points or Ultamate points. To use your Ulta Beauty Rewards, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you could do it in store redemption as well or online redemptions. If you want to do it online, you could simply log into your ulta.com or you could just go and launch open the mobile app. And basically, you could use your redemption code during your payment procedure. So here, what you need is simply go ahead and select any sort of item that you like to add it as a cart or that you like to purchase. Once you've done that, you want to select add for ship at the bottom. Now you want to make sure to go ahead and select view bag and you could simply go ahead and check out. So tap on checkout. You could either go with the PayPal or you could go with any of these other options. Once you've done, you could simply go ahead and find this gift card section and there you could go ahead and enter in your Ulta reward and Ulta or Ultimate points. So this way you're supposed to use your redemption point. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.